Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing software used for creating, editing, formatting, and sharing documents. Whether you're drafting a letter, writing a report, or designing a resume, Word offers tools to make your work professional and polished. For the first lesson, we are going to learn about text formatting. For formatting a text, we have various options. We can make text bold, italics, or underlined. We can also select font from list of fonts or change the size of text and make it smaller or larger. We can also give some effects to the text. To begin the lesson, we start with selecting a text. To select a text, we have many options. We can select a text by left-click of mouse and then hovering over the wanted text. Alternatively, we can also select a word with double-click of left mouse button and select sentence with triple-click of left mouse button. Now, to change the font size, we select the text and either increase or decrease the size with this button. Or, we can also select a font size from the drop-down list right here. To change the font, we have to select the desired text as usual and select a font from drop-down list right here. We can select a font of our choice from list of various fonts. We can also change the text into bold with Ctrl+B or the bold button right here. For italics, text press with Ctrl+I or the italics button right here. For underlining a text press with Ctrl+U or the underline button right here. Now let's make a text bold, italics, and underlined. In Word file, we can also cross out words or sentences. To cross out, we select the desired text and press this button right here. If you want to make subscript or superscript, you can select desired text and press Ctrl+Shift+_ or press here for subscript. And for superscript, press here or press Ctrl+Shift++. You can also give some effects to text and make it look cooler for presentations. For giving effects to text, press here and select a desired effect for the selected text. We can also highlight text for pointing out important stuffs in the file. Highlighting can be done by pressing here and selecting desired color of highlight. We can also change color or text in the similar way. It can be changed by pressing here. Now, let's see how to clear all formatting. First, let's give some formatting to the text so we can see how to remove them all at once. To remove formatting, we can just press here and all the formatting is gone. However, you can see that highlight still remains. To remove highlight, we have to select the highlight and remove from the highlight button. We can remove highlight with no color option that can be seen in the highlight drop-down. Tell me what the next video should be about in the comments section so that I can help you with Office-related problems in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.